What's up, guys? I upgraded from the raft to a kayak, and I'm going to be mounting rod holders and something to hold the oars so they don't roll off my lap and into the water. So far all I did was mark out the holes, and now I've got to find a way to cut them because I forgot my drill bits and my saw. So I guess Aiden, bring me your drill. Oh, never mind, here it is. Yeah, that's not going to work. This is going to take forever. Lesson learned, don't forget your drill bits, and your saw. this all the way around and tap it out. Thank you, sir.
Oh, that was so fun. I had made it invisible, but the sweaty skin broke it. How did you do that? I turned it invisible, didn't I? Too light. This is my controller edit. You like it? This might be good. No!
Screw gets hot quick.
I turned it invisible. Don't I rebuild it? How?
That ain't gonna come out. We're gonna have to go get a saw. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. We're gonna have to stop and go get a saw. Nope, we need a saw. Alright, I paused it and dug it out. Now I'm just gotta clean it up. is this right here? Okay. I'm not too sure about the hardware that it came with. I'm going to try it for now, but eventually I'm going to drill it out, put bolts and lock nuts on it. There we have it. Now we just got to do the other side. Your local store doesn't have jigsaws or drill bits in stock. Kitchen knife. Whew, that was a workout. need to mount the rod holder. I mean the oar probably here. And for that should be simple. Again, it's got hardware I'm not too fond of, so later on down the road, maybe when I pull it out of the water for the year, I'll go ahead and switch it out to different hardware with lock nuts. I'll get you to drill this.
Alright.
Just be careful and take your time.
Where's your drill?
Alright, so probably right in here would be best.
Right in the middle of here?
Yeah.
Alright.
Move the hammer.
Your drill's
Alright. There you go. Let me just see one more time for good measure. Put it there.
Is that the only one?
One right here.
Alright.
Let's set this behind the couch. Alright. Ready?
Yeah. Like that? Oops.
Good. No. Good. It's really thick. So. Ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Alright. Good.
Did I do it right?
Yeah, you did fine. Alright, now the other side.
Oh. Okay. Alrighty.
Same thing. Go
I
ahead.
think I got it.
Go ahead. Whoop. Go ahead. Alright. Bump it. Just tap the trigger. Alright. That one's in there.
Was that good?
That was good. Now we've got a rod holder. Kayak. I mean a paddle holder. Why do I keep saying rod holder?
Rod.
Because the other day, yesterday when I went and I was fishing, I hooked into a catfish and was fighting it over here. So I was leaning my weight this side and the paddle went off and into the water.
Oh no.
And then I lost the fish
Aw.
and had to do this to go get my oar.
Oh, did it go too super far?
It went about 20 foot.
Oh my god.
So now we've got that. We're all set.
Are you gonna do like rod holders and stuff? Oh, you already did it?
Yes, sir. I've got them ready to go.
Okay.
And now that's pretty much all I can think of.
A drink holder.
We've also got a stringer. I'm not going to put that tape measure on here because
My,
I can't stand up in the kayak and like the 36-inch catfish.
is that like a...
I mean, I would have to start here and try to balance it without flipping over, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I'm new on a kayak, so I don't want to take that chance of flipping over, especially with it getting colder outside.
Is that the biggest kayak they have?
So we have a stringer
What's that?
that I am going to mount
What's the stringer do?
probably right here.
Right here.
Actually, I'll probably mount it up here. And then just take it off. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. I could always do that at a different time, though.
Okay.
But other than that, I think we're done. If you guys can think of anything, simple upgrades or anything that might help me out leave it in the comments. Like I said, I've only been on this twice, and I was a bit wobbly the first time, so I didn't fish. Yesterday it was kind of a little bit better. I did get a cushion because the seat is really hard without it. The backrest feels better, but your butt starts to hurt after about 5 minutes. So I have this compartment here in the back that I normally keep small tackle, and then I've got this one in the front, but I don't use that for anything. So if you guys can think of anything that might help me out, comment, let me know, and thanks for watching.